An IEP is an individualized education plan. It is the framework of a child's entire special education program. It includes everything related to that child's needs and services, including biographical information, notes about the previous IEP meeting, a list of programs, services, placement, modifications, accommodations, evaluations, and any other relevant information. The IEP team is made up of school personnel and the parents. This includes the school's personnel who work with the child, certain staff members, one general education teacher, one regular special education teacher, and other specialists, as well as a chairperson, and the parents. Parents are often made to feel like they are not part of the IEP team, but they are equal members to the team to anybody else, and their rights and their voice are to be included.